I'm not well today. I got a cold. I get really young. But we're super late and the body is just refusing. But we're getting there to the show because we have to. Yeah, this is my cousin. Say hello.
Hello.
Say how are you?
How are you?
Oh, bye bye. I love you.
How are you?
Okay, cousin. Bye bye. Hey. Bye bye, cousin. Yes. Yeah. If someone was to be called late, that would be me. If someone was to be called super late, that would be me. Yeah, no, today is the second day of the musical, and it's very different from the first show, Yamabani, in different ways, apart from the fact that flu. It's this one is open to everyone. Anyone can come because Mabani was a corporate night, and today our families and friends can come. Families and friends. Thank you so much, those who came to watch my performances before. Shout out to you, Bino. And those who I just recently met, especially at church. I'm excited to have you guys around because y'all are super talented and can't wait to see you grow in the gift that you have, your journeys, and just us together, because no man is an island. So we're doing this together, and we're placed in this country for a reason. I believe, there's something that we need to give. There's something that we need to give. So we're gonna give it. Oh yeah, I was supposed to do a time lapse, my bunny. Let me do the time lapse. Yeah. Yesterday, I wanted to show you guys actually the distance that I travel just going to the stop from home. It's not that long, but okay, in this video it really seems like it's long. But yeah, that's the distance. So I'm here by the stop, and Leshetla. You can just tell by the way it's just strolling. Yeah, you are gonna have a long ride, guys. This combi in it's and I was late. Yo, let's drag with this one. Because and ready and it's a tusi. Stationing these friends of mine, this shop Edward Maloiso, he is a bodybuilder, so this is like one of their I don't know if I should call it a pop-up store, but yeah, that's where they display their supplements. So anytime you're passing by the station, go check him out and check out his products. Very late, but what I've observed is that yesterday our bodies weren't well taken care of in different ways, and it caused me to be the way I am today. But I'm still able to walk. That's a good thing. It means I can jog, run, I can dance. It's just one of the struggles that you can face when you're doing productions like this. Like, you need to take care of your body because you can easily get sick from different things. So I'd say that's like the thing you need to take note of, or just remember. Always take care of yourself. Grab something warm, hydrate, eat, and rest as much as you can. Not just your body, but also your mental state. We were taught about focus mabani. And tata I'll say gore go berekile gore bereketse in the sense that na ra khona go focus tota ha go tla to the show nearing. Hey guys, show ya tume basically. So it's like it's an muskolo ha ke tso gore I make it la khona go vlogger tota today, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Tsa gore ya ka le bona ha gona ope ha mogola lona monna lona o late. I got there and we were on a meeting just concerning about the first show, the things that we can improve on, the stuff that we can fix. Basically, it helped out a lot because we reflect on such things.
So that they know when they see you, they are waiting for you.
Balisa pressed record for me because I thought I was recording this whole time. Oh my gosh.
Okay, boys, please come next to me. Sorry. All right.
I'm here to disturb. Okay, from your perspective, how was the show?
From my perspective, it was awesome. Yesterday I sat in the front, but I could see you guys and the faces, and I recognized them from the back. Can't see much, but today it was packed.
Yes, ma'am.
The show is
It was
awesome.
very packed.
Full house.
Sir, tell us your role. What was your role in this show?
I was a rock star. I was a rock star for the night, and I really enjoyed it. So I hope you guys are going to come for the next show.
Yeah.
They must come, Buffet too. Hey, we don't play like that.
This has taught me Botswana culture.
Oh yeah.
It's brought me back to why people are the way they are in Botswana. Why is it the marriage, the dating, the cows, the people,
Even the khotla, like the setup of everything.
and this captured everything. It captured the modern with the twist of the actual tradition and culture.
Thank you
I
so
like that.
much.
I like that.
Okay, so we're done. I know Maboni, I didn't record this part, and we're done with the show. It was amazing, more amazing than yesterday. It was amazing.
Even the audience, like getting the feedback, their audience, like, it really meant a lot.
It was
from
mind-blowing.
the cast, what it was part of this item, yeah. So,
Take your
you
things.
guys, come on, so on the last day, which is the 22nd of April, on my own theater.
Hey guys, so today we had a fantastic show. And it was Botswana Barata.
Hi guys.
You know, good stuff.
Because wow,
It's gonna be lit.
wow, not that type of audience. Was I gonna be that? No ways.
What's the time? I don't know. Okay, yes. Bana. Thank you. And if you haven't watched the first part, please go watch it because I took my time. Full-time job.
Good stuff.
Mapu! Where's my mom? Where's my mom? Where's your mom? Mommy. Mommy. Hey guys. Hi. I know where your dad is. I don't know where your mom is.
My daddy's somewhere here making rain, girl. Have you guys been to the PULA show? Because if you haven't, I think you're missing out.
You think?
I think you guys need to do the right thing.
Gotta.
I think you guys need to
Better. You better. Yes, me. Yes, girl.
Boo.
Give it to them. Thank you. Too much. Okay. I don't think my videos are gonna be this long.
I feel absolutely amazing. amazing about today's show. Every single time I perform with the cast of PULA, I grow, I get scared, but I also just feel love, man. And doing PULA is a life-changing thing. And I'm so excited, and I love all of you guys. You guys are my family, and thank you for welcoming me. Thank you for creating space so that we can all grow and learn and create a beautiful art.
Drops tea. Drops tea. Okay. Alright guys. Thank you. And good night. Thank you and good night.